Hello guys, so today was actually marked as the saddest day in my entire year for the month of 2024. It's just really sad because you already know guys that I've been working in a healthcare industry for quite a long time now, and then I've worked with so many great people, especially the Filipino people, for more than 2 years. It's just a very sad day because including my sister as well, who's really a hardworking even though that she's only 18, and the rest of the family actually lost their job. I know that there's something that we really cannot control, especially if the business is already losing the revenue. It's just really so sad to see great people to go. I became attached to them. I just wanted to pagtaksan na lang sila guys. Ito yung pinakamahirap talaga din actually sa mag-work as a virtual assistant. Every day is a challenging day. You don't know what may happen next, especially that December, Christmas is coming, plus the inflation. Tapos worst pa is wala kang savings kasi naubos sa bills, along with, and you're the only person who's earning for the family. Tapos may pamilya ka pa na binubuhay, may mga anak. Still grateful na meron ako, pero nung narinig ko yung habulol ng sister ko kanina, tumawag siya that her boss told her that she's gonna be one of those people who laid off. And I know that laid off is just a positive way of scripting instead of using, like marami akong nakikitang ibang virtual assistant that advises others to look for another job, not at least having a backup is better, pero hindi kasi lahat makakahanap ng mabilisan, lalo na sa panahon ngayon ang challenging and high competition ng to. And then yung akin din is na-cut off yung aking sahod ko, so that means I am no longer earning the same just like before, but then pray for me that it's gonna be enough kasi yung inflation mataas. Pero mas okay na yung gusto naman mawalan, diba? Wala eh. We don't know. We actually do not control what will happen tomorrow. Kaya nga, if you heard us during our prayer, like, lagi ko na lang talagang sinasabi na guide, protect, and have mercy. Kasi si Lord lang talaga yung nahawakan ko. From time to time, lalo na yung masakitin ka, you cannot really rest. You need to work kasi baka matulog ka din sa kanila. Yun po yung struggle ng work namin. Lucky na lang po yung God bless. I cannot say na bless kasi bless naman talaga tayong lahat. But I think one of the gem na lang talaga yung mga tao na nakakahanap ng long term na walang kaya. Ganun. Sa business, yung rising up talaga. Sana all ba? Yung ganun yung talent, katulad sa kanila, ganun yung intelligence. Kaso, sa mga mediocre lang na mga tao tulad ko, kinakabahan talaga ako. For sure, yung mga kasamahan ko na late, they can find another job because they're strong. But for me, lalo na kita. Bawas na yung confidence natin. Wala eh, diba? There's always times na things like this happens. So, to all aspiring virtual assistant there, when you find something, maybe you can try to look for a backup. To work can be fine if you're working in a freelancing industry, but just try to see if the time would not conflict so that at least your output will not be affected. Kasi dedicated ako dito kasi even during after hours hindi ako naglalak at hindi na ako nag-leave eh. Nag-leave lang ako emergency like half day or whatnot. Pag emergency like may sakit ako, ganun. Kaya nga putting ko lang talaga yung mga prayer na ganun. So ayan lang siya guys. It's just something, pero sabi nga ng Bible na sinabi ni God that whatever His purpose is, just trust Him. I know that it's left you heartbroken, but still try to find a way to accept it and try to push forward. Sana ganun ka lang kadali pag ikaw yun nasa sitwasyon. Pero mas okay yung mga meron na talagang backup, pero yung kawawa talaga yung walang mga backup na mga trabaho. Ay, Diyos ko. Sige lang guys, at kakayanin natin yan. Just have faith. We will continue to have faith, which it should be, and then let Jesus Christ guide us. And even to my former colleagues, they're all such good people. They're even helping someone like me who's really moody sometimes. Anyway, yan lang guys. I wish you all the best and stay in good health. Fighting. Pray, pray, pray.